Jai Gurudev to everyone, this is Minakshi and today I am taking the maths of class 9th, lesson number 3, coordinate geometry part 5, exercise number 3.3. So the first question, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the point, that is minus 5 comma 4, 3 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 0, 1 comma 2 and minus 3 comma 5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. So here it is given in the question that sum of the points and that points on which quadrant lie, that we have to write down, and again we have to verify our answer by locating the given points on the Cartesian plane. So let's start with the first point. So what is given? Minus 2 comma 4. So here minus 2 means x and 4 means y. So when x is negative and y is positive, it means they lie in the second quadrant. Okay, so the point minus 2 comma 4 lie in the second quadrant. Then the next is given 3 comma minus 1. So here 3 is x and minus 1 is the y. So here x is positive and y is negative. It means they lie in the fourth quadrant. So the point 3 comma minus 1 lie in the fourth quadrant. Then next it is given minus 1 comma 0. So minus 1 is x and 0 is y. It means they lie on the negative x axis. So the point minus 1 comma 0 lie on the negative x axis. As here minus 1 is x, which is negative, that's why they lie on the x axis, because 0 is the origin. Then the next 1 comma 2. So here 1 is x and y is 2. So here both x and y are positive. It means they lie on the first quadrant. Okay, then the last one is given minus 3 comma minus 5. Both x and y are negative. It means they lie in the third quadrant. So the point minus 3 comma minus 5 lie in the third quadrant. So now we have to verify our answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So this is how the Cartesian plane is. So the first is given minus 2 comma 4 and we have written that it lie in the second quadrant. So yes, here minus 2 means x and 4 is y, so they lie here in the second quadrant. Then the next is given 3 comma minus 1. So 3 is on the x axis, so here it is 3, and minus 1 is on the y axis, so they are lying here in the fourth quadrant. Then next it is given minus 1 is x and y is 0. So here minus 1 is negative, which is on negative x-axis, and 0 is the origin. So here we will write minus 1 and 0 lie on the negative x-axis. Then the next point is given 1 comma 2. So 1 is x and 2 is y, so they are lying here. It means the 1 comma 2 lie in the first quadrant. Then the point next it is given minus 3 comma minus 5. Both are negative. Here it is minus 3 on x-axis and minus 5 on negative y-axis. Both are negative, means they lie in the third quadrant. Then the next question, plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane, choosing the suitable unit of the distance on the axis. So here we have to plot the given points of x and y on the Cartesian plane by choosing the suitable units of a distance on the axis. So here we will choose the distance of 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter. So here it is given the table, that is the values of x and values of y are given, and we have to place these points on the Cartesian plane. So after placing these points on the Cartesian plane, this is how our Cartesian plane will look like. So we will do it in the detail, that is, this is the y-axis and this one is the x-axis, and these are the numbers which are given on x-axis and on y-axis. So this is the origin where the two horizontal and the vertical line is meeting. We call it at the origin, that is 0. And then at the right side of the 0 we have to write the all positive values, and at the left side of the 0 we have to write all the negative values on the x-axis. Then on the top of this origin, that is on 0, on the top of the 0, that is on y-axis, we have to write the all positive values, and at downside means at the bottom of the origin we have to write all the negative values on the y-axis. So now what is given, the first point in the table, that is x is given -2. So here it will become x, which is given as -2. Here it is x is -2, and then here it is given x is -2, and y is given 8. 8 is positive, so here it is 8. Okay, so it means we will draw a line and we will see where they are meeting. So here it is 8 on y-axis and -2 on x-axis. So we will join this line, so they are intersecting here, so we will name it as, that is, point A, and the points are given, x is given -2 comma y is given as 8. So the next, it is given in the table x is -1. So where is -1? It is here, -1 on x-axis, and y is given 7, and 7 is the positive, that is on y-axis. So here it is given 7. So where they are meeting, this is -1 and this one is 7. So yes, they are meeting here, so we will write it as point B, and that is given -1 comma 7. As x we have to write first and then y. Then the next it is given x as 0, and 0 is the origin which is given on x-axis. So here it is 0, and then what is given, y, that is given -1.25. so here it is -1, this one is -1, and 0.25, so 0.05 will come here, then the -1.25 will come here. Okay, it is 1/4 of -1. Okay, means 1/4 after -1. So here we will draw a line, and this point we call as C, that is 0 comma -1.25. Okay, then the next it is given x as 1. So here it is x-axis, and this is the 1 on x-axis, and then y is given 3. So y is also positive, which is given 3. So this is 1, 2 and 3, as it is 3. So where they are meeting here 1 comma 3. Okay, so 1 comma 3 means here we will write it as D, that is 1 comma 3. Then the last column it is given x as 3. So positive 3 means here it is x as 3 and y as given minus 1. So y means minus 1, it will come here. So join these 2 points where they are meeting. They are meeting here at this point. So we will give it name as E, that is 3 comma minus 1. So this is how we have to plot or locate the points of x and y on the Cartesian plane. And here we have used the scale as 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter. So this block is of 1 unit, this box is also of 1 unit. Okay, so this is how we have to plot the points. So thank you for watching my video. I hope both the questions of this exercise that understand by you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.